Okay, so before we head over to the main topic, I would like to make a quick shout out to the following this week. So we have Alice Burke, Mac, Wrecked, Ambushed, Mohit, Joseph. Once again, shout out to you guys for this week. Yahoo! So let's do the To the Moon signature dance coming from yours truly.
To the moon, zoom, and double shit, to the moon, zoom.
And of course, if you haven't watched my latest TikTok videos, so just simply head over to my official TikTok profile. So I provided it right here on my YouTube description to see me dancing wearing this Newscrypto shirt. Alright, so let's head over to our main topic for this video. So what's up, peeps? This is Jeff, aka Nomad Fury, and we're back once again for another video regarding Newscrypto. So without further ado, let's head over to our main topic for this video. Okay guys, so we are here in the official website of Newscrypto. So they have a brand new template right here, and it looks really sick and amazing, guys. So you can see right here, guys, this is the current NWC price. And of course, it says right here, the #1 educational project according to CoinMarketCap. So guys, this deserves a big round of applause. So it's all about making the first step into the crypto world with Newscrypto Academy. So we could start learning right here, and we could buy some NWC tokens. And if you want to subscribe to their newsletter, so all you have to do is to enter your email address and click subscribe. And of course, you could see right here on the right side, so this is the official social media channels of Newscrypto, so that you could stay updated with their latest developments. So let's scroll down a bit. And of course, when it comes to their platform, so this is the new definition of Newscrypto. So it is an already tested product used by the world's top traders that serves as an all-in-one crypto suite. So it provides a comprehensive set of tools for all users regardless of their current level of knowledge. The platform offers everything from automatic charting tools that help beginners understand the basics of technical analysis to advanced proprietary indicators for expert traders. So you could enter the platform right here, guys, by clicking on this one. So you just have to sign up an account. So it's free, by the way. But of course, there are two types of membership, the basic and the pro. So for the basic, it is free. And for the pro, of course, you need to pay a monthly subscription. So if you want to know more about the pro subscriptions, of course, I do have some previous Newscrypto videos covering about that topic. Okay, so don't you worry. I provided it right here on my YouTube description. So let's scroll down once again. So this is the primary features of the Newscrypto platform. Everything a trader needs in one day. So they have the state-of-the-art Newscrypto Academy. Of course, the courses are free. And of course, they have the on-chain education, the market indicators, and the community predictions. And of course, you could see the next generation crypto app. So in this app, of course, you will see the market overview, the crypto gamification, the community predictions, and so much more. So it is available for both Android and iOS devices. And not only they have this next generation mobile app, so they have a non-custodial mobile wallet as well. So we could monitor price and performance, safely receive, store, and send NWC right on our phones. So we could read more right here, guys. And of course, it is cross-chain, because they are supporting Stellar, ERC, and BSC chains in a 1-1-1 ratio. This is good news for all of us if we want to swap blockchains, you know, if we have our NWC token. So it is our choice. So we could import in wallet swap right here. And it is featured by various media sites. And of course, they have a community grant program. So we could start our dream development project with their fund of 1 million tokens. So we could apply right here for the community grant program. So these grants seek to empower more initiative crypto developers and teams who are building important tools, indicators, and other products that help traders conquer this complex world of cryptocurrency trading. And of course, don't forget the heart of the Newscrypto platform is the token itself, which is the NWC. Okay, so you can see all of the details right here for Newscrypto and its respective smart contract addresses for both Stellar, Ethereum, and Binance Smart Chain. And of course, you could read more about the token utility and of course the tokenomics on how Newscrypto's NWC token works. And of course, they have a staking feature in which we can earn up to 25% with more than 325,380 users and counting. And of course, when it comes to the volume, it's really impressive with 3.426 million US dollars in volume. So I really love the mission of Newscrypto. So they are progressively shape the future of cryptocurrency trading and make it a better place for everyone. And of course, when it comes to the future development, so they are dedicated to developing and upgrading innovative solutions for the ever-growing world of blockchain and crypto together with their community. And for today, guys, so it is a tested product used by the world's top traders that serves as an all-in-one crypto suit. So you could buy NWC easily in these exchanges being displayed right here in their brand new looking website. Okay. And of course, they have a Newscrypto roadmap. Of course, they are making it unique. So this is really interesting. So right now we are here in the date majority, or simply what we call as the Minerva. So the Juno, the Apollo, and the Diana, these stages have already been concluded and we are now in Minerva. And we're just on our way to Jupiter. Okay, so right now let's look forward to the future developments of Newscrypto. Okay, and of course here is the progress, and of course you could see the full roadmap, and here are the partnerships and integrations that you could see right here, guys. All right, and other details that you need to know regarding Newscrypto. So to me, peeps, I really love the brand new design of Newscrypto's website. To be honest, this is truly amazing. I love it. And of course, don't forget Newsco, because Newscrypto left a comment on my TikTok video that we'll be having a dance showdown with Newsco later on. Yeah, I'm accepting the challenge and I'm looking forward to that, Newsco. Once again, guys, if you would like to check out the brand new design of Newscrypto's official website, just head over to newscrypto.io. And of course, don't forget to explore their one-of-a-kind platform for crypto traders and enthusiasts wherever you are in the world. So if you think that this video is so helpful, kindly share this to your crypto and non-crypto friends out there, especially those who are into crypto trading. So guys, I have a question for you. What do you honestly think about this video that I have for you today? So let me know right here in the comment section. Did you enjoy watching this video? If yes, I would like to thank you for this. And if you want to stay updated regarding my latest videos, interviews, and giveaways, just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And also, you could follow me on my official social media channels. Alright, I guess I'll see you guys on my next video.